Loads more washing to do in the Hoover NeXtra HNL3146. I'm going to be doing a load on the Synthetics 50 program and trying that out, see how that works. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. Alright, time to load. So I've got basically loads of pillowcase covers from all our sofa bed cushions. So because it's a bit of a mix of colours, I'm going to put a colour on catcher in there. So we've got a mix of grey ones, got some pink ones, pink and white. We've got an oven glove, and then I've got a mix of some of my bed socks, the Care Bear blanket, and my sofa cushions. So quite a nice load to do, and that hopefully shouldn't give us any problems. I'm going to be using some 4mm for this one. I'm going to use about 80mm there, a little bit of a clump. There are loads of sirens outside for some reason, I don't know why. You might be able to hear them in the video. And what have I done with my limescale tablet now? I've brought one down. And I've got some stain remover as well, the colours. Because we're using a temperature below 60, I'm going to use the last of. I've only got much left, so I'll probably mix that with a bit of conditioner as well, Dettol, and that's the end of that bottle. I'm just going to get my limescale tablet. So turn that round to program number 50. Program 50. It says synths on here, if you can see that. I like that, synths. So of course, yes, maximum temperature 50. I believe the spin speed is 800. So again, I'll just turn it to the maximum setting of the machine, and then it will do whatever the max setting is for that. No options, go. Alright, enjoy. Let's have a look how this works. As I say, it most likely is going to be the same programming as the 6. It seems to be mirroring the 6 in a lot of things. Hopefully this won't take too bloody hours. So rinse out this bottle, and it can be recycled. I've also ordered some the shock absorber pegs that these use. I've ordered some replacement ones, which is what these are meant to have, so that might reduce the amount of knocking that that's got. But these are going to be the last sort of few videos of this machine. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do the A-Wash 59, because a lot of people are saying that I should try that one, and then maybe a spin video, or maybe a rinse and spin, because this does more than one rinse on that cycle. Got some bed socks in as well, yeah, so a combination of stuff. I did find the limescale tablet too, so no need to worry on that. Oh, lovely. It's like saturation tumbles now. And another top up. Okay, so we're doing the fast tumbles now, and we're heating. So that just heated to about 30 or 20, and now we stopped heating. So we might be heating in stages. Let's see now what we're doing. Yeah, stopped heating for a bit. Oh no, back to heating now. So watch the smart meter do that. It's doing well now. Alright, we've heated to 50 now, and we've got less than an hour to go. Giving that a proper intensive wash though. The oven glove trying to dominate the space there. Machine's drained, so I don't know if that's going to be a spin maybe. Yeah. Oh no, high speed distribute. Well, that might be a spin probably. Foil. No, hang on, you don't do that thing people do.
What?
Remember at school that you do it after eating your lunch?
Well, you throw it.
No, you make it into a ball, isn't it?
Why not?
People to do that, isn't it? That's hot. Look.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
So what, you're not going to put it in there?
For how hot it is. You feel it? Right, first rinse. And I'll do one of my sofa throws on the A-Wash 59. It's Trey wanted to see the guy who's interested in this machine. He's a washer collector or enthusiast. Shout out to you, Trey, if you see this. He wanted to see if it's, I think he had one like this, so I wanted to see if it was the same as he remembered. I was like, okay, yeah, it's fullish load. That's on the first rinse, and that's doing really well. See, for a load like that, it doesn't do too bad. I mean, maybe a slight bit more could be used, but you know. On the first intermediate spin, using the first and second rinse. It should be a 400 RPM spin for about 2 minutes. That's what the Hoover 6 does. No, no, don't ruin it. That won't spin that. Let it bang the side. See though, the shock absorbers do hold it from doing that. This gets way more unbalanced than the 6 does. What the hell? Oh, I forgot. Yes, the sensitivity is reduced on the set 30s. It's on a knock. I forgot the sensitivity on the set 30s is reduced. Sensitivity on the cycle. Also, I'm impressed with how stable it is. Because even the 6 shakes about, bro. The dial. That's it. And the final spin should be 800 volts. Second rinse. Going for second rinse. See, for a load like this, the lower level's okay. It just about gets everything soaked and then a bit more after washing. Yeah. I do agree, obviously it could be a little bit higher, but you know, it does for that load. I forgot that the out of balance sensor reduces the sensitivity on the cycle. Second and final intermediate spin with 15 minutes to go. Right, we get better balance this one. Yeah, seems a bit. Right, so now switching the raw water bath for the corner. We're taking in the Dettol now. Seeing as we haven't got much left in that, I'm going to put in some Comfort. We haven't really got much in that, so there we go. Comfort, polysucculent sandalwood. So that'll keep going. Go. That's where the sanitising begins. Well, lovely. Oh, it's been a really good load we've done finally. Nothing that's caused too many problems. Final slow spin at 800 RPM. So we were smooth on this one. Yeah? Should be okay. Bit unbalanced, but well. Nice and smooth. Certainly to the end. Okay, cycle's finished, doors unlocked. That wasn't too bad of a cycle actually. Yeah, they're going to need an extra spin, but even for an 800 spin that's actually not done too bad. Never see any evidence on these colour-on sheets that it actually picked anything up, which does concern me at times. Alright, so that was Synthetic's 50 degrees Celsius cycle on the Hoover NeXtra. My next video you will probably see tomorrow of this will be the A-Wash 59-minute cycle. I'll probably do that with throw. And then maybe I'll do like a rinse and spin, and then that might be the last of the machine we do. And I'll either just keep it in storage then until goes to the new owner. Hopefully the rinse and spin will be done when we get the new the shock absorber pegs on that. So yeah, it's been so far so good. And that'll be that. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.